This is how to hide files and folders on your Mac using Terminal. So let's get started. The first step is to open Terminal. Once this is done, we have to type in the command chflags hidden and then the path to the file or folder that you want to hide. So now I type that in. Once you've typed this, you have to type in the path. Or another thing you can do is just drag the file or folder that you want to hide. So for now, I want to hide this screenshot that's here. So I just drag that and you can see the path has come. And now click on enter. As you can see, the screenshot went from here since we hid it. And now if you want to view it, there are two ways to do this. First is a method in Finder where we can view all the hidden files. So to do this, just open Finder. So here I've opened Finder and I'll just click on Command Shift and period. So do that. And as you can see, all the hidden files and folders, they've come here. And even on my desktop, the screenshot has come here. And if I want to view it, I can double click on it. But this is only a temporary fix since it's still hidden. Because if I write the command again, you can see it's gone. So the second method to get it back is again using the terminal. And this is to permanently unhide it. So for this, you have to type the same command, but just put no hidden instead of hidden. Let's do that. So here I've changed it to no hidden and I click on enter. And as you can see, it's come back here. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to see your Wi-Fi password on your Mac, check out this video. Goodbye.